In today's video, like you can already tell from the thumbnail, I'm going to be giving you the perfect solution to make your press-on nails last for weeks. I'll be giving you step-by-step tutorials today on how I make my press-on nails last long enough, as long as I want them to. Come on, let's get started. What are we waiting for? Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Hilda Edeki, as you already know. You guys know me. I always bring you the best, the very best. Okay, and I already know that at the end of this video, there are a lot of people that are going to be asking me for the link to some of the products I use. Please bear with me. I'll try to put the link in the description box or in the caption down, but not immediately. I'm so sorry because I've not been able to get the link yet, but I will. As soon as I do, I'll make sure I announce it in my next video if the need arises. Okay, but that being said, hi guys, hi friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube space. On here, you guys know we talk about a lot of things. Sometimes we just chit chat, other times we do tutorials, DIY, and other times, very soon though, we'll be doing vlogs. But for now, this video, like you can tell from the thumbnail, this video is about how to get that perfect press-on nails that will last you for weeks. So I'm going to be giving you guys step-by-step tutorials on how to achieve just that. And without stressing you too much, let's just get right into the video. This is a detailed drilling cover. It really helps me to get the job done down to every detail, like the name implies. I would be putting down the link in the description box for you guys to purchase. I purchased it online. Okay, so it also came with this. These are the different drilling curves. You just fix them into the mouth of it. This is one of them. I fixed it. I will be removing it on camera and showing you guys how to fix and remove it. Okay, so and it came with a charger. As you can see, it's not battery operated. Okay, so that's that for that. That's that for right about. Okay, whatever. So now this is the nail dissolver. I don't know yet if we'll be using this, but yeah, it's. And then we won't be using this. This is the nail filer. That's why you need this. This is like 21st century. This is back in the years. Don't use this anymore. Okay, it's too stressful. So we won't be using this. But I just said let me show you guys what you should not be using. It's too stressful, except you don't have lights in your area. And then okay, so have I showed you guys the nails? Yeah, it's very simple, nothing fancy. So this is what we'll be using. I want us to prep the nails. Okay, so for this I can't hold this because I'll be needing both my hands, so I'm just going to pin this here. Hopefully there's no obstruction with the sound. Can you guys hear me very well? Yeah, so first thing first, I have to change the mount. Like I told you guys, I'll be showing you guys how I change the mount of this. Okay, so you just place your hands on top of it and pull it out while twisting it, and then it's out. So I want to prep my nails. So instead of using the filer, like I told you guys, we're not using filer in this video. Instead of using this, we're not using this, we're going to be using this. Okay, so there are different shapes here. So I'm going to be using this one, the smallest one, this right here. Okay, so I'm going to fix it here, and make sure that when you're fixing it, it can be plugged but it's not on. Okay, so you don't file your flesh off. So I fixed it. It's that simple. Actually, I fixed it up, and now how to put it on. You put it on here. Now I'm feeling like I should have unboxed this on camera when I bought it, so you guys can see how it came. But that's fine. It has a button here that you can easily press if you want it to be more intense, but we don't want that for now. So I'm going to go with my nails. I'm going to try as much as possible to tilt it towards the camera so you guys can see. Can you see this? Maybe you should bring the camera closer. So this is what we want. It's so much simpler. Like, it's a lot, like it saves you so much stress, because right now I would have been doing this and we don't, this is too stressful. This is too stressful. Don't don't do this. You need to get this. It's not even, oh my god, I left it on so it got entwined in my table mat. Okay, so like I said, you just use this to clean through your nails, like this. You could decide to go rough so the base doesn't is not so smooth when I'm trying to apply the glue. That's why I like to go rough. So this is it. You could decide to go straight. I won't be talking to you guys for a while because I need to focus on this. So this, can you see what I did there? So that's how I'm going to go over everything. Just going to be trimming my nails a bit. So you use your nail clipper, clip your nails, cut them a bit down. You don't have to do this though, but my nails grow fast, so that's why I decided to do this. So these are the cuticle. I'm going to cut them out. I just push them in. All you need to just do is push them back a bit, and then you cut it out. Be careful with this so you don't hurt yourself. They actually unwanted dead skin. You don't even feel anything while cutting it. Okay, so I'm going to use the glue. I'll be using this on this before applying the glue. We're down to the very last one. Just going to apply the glue. Okay, so this is it. Then make sure you rub it inside of your nails. Then you start from the very close to your cuticle, but be wise enough not to take it too close so it doesn't get stuck, and then you start feeling pains there, and then it's too late because you already glued your nails to the press-ons. So that's it. I'll be using this rubberized base coat by Ollie to give it a very nice finishing. So this is what I'm going to do. Let me apply a little bit of cuticle oil. It's good for your cuticle. It keeps it, I trim my cuticle, so I'm just going to massage this into my cuticles and keep it hydrated. I'm doing same for my other hands. Yeah, so that's it, nothing extra. So guys, that's how to get your nails ready and prepped from the comfort of your home without having to go to the salon. You can do this from the comfort of your home. You want me to do a tutorial on how to fix your nails from scratch, just using nail tips and creating your own design instead of getting just press on nails, I'll be happy to do that. Just drop it in the comment section and I will be sure to pay attention to that. I hope you guys loved watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and till my next video, to all my 189 subscribers that I had before I uploaded this video, I love you guys. Say it back. Till the next video, stay safe and stay jiggy. Bye.